Hello, it's Anya from Anya Photo and Digital Painterly. I just wanted to show you really quickly how to apply your digital overlays into your images. So you're going to find two different overlays. One is for lighter color backgrounds and the other for darker. And they both in PNG format, which means they have a transparent behind them. So you have to open your images that you're going to use. I'm going to show you two different options. One is in a landscape format and the other one is in a portrait orientation. So let's start with the portrait one. We're going to choose lilac for light background, and with your tool, move tool, just grab anywhere on the image and make sure you hold it. Which one was a portrait? That's the one. Just drag it in. And these flowers were shot at the angle from the right side light coming in. If you shoot from the other side, you can always come into your image and go File, okay, Image Rotation, and flip canvas horizontal, and that way you have the light coming from your left side. On the flip. Okay, let's get back to our image here. So you can just leave it as it is, or you can hit Control T or Command T for Mac users, and making sure you hold on to Shift button and just resize. Also, you can change the direction of that bunting garland, whatever you want to call it. So you can make it at the angle. And when you are happy with it, just either tick here or press enter. If you want to create more layers from that, you can just hit Alt and drag the layer. It is going to copy another one, and you can just make loads of them here. So you can see your layers on the right. It created extra ones. So that's one way to do it. For the landscape orientation, what we're going to do, I'm going to drag it over to our image, and you can see here, you can just adjust it. So here I would probably press Control T, resize it just a touch, and probably take it at the angle, so make it like a drapes. Hit yes, enter, and then Alt again, Control T, and take it at the angle. If there's any elements that you are not keen on, just come in closer, and you can actually wipe it out with your eraser brush. Just be really careful with it. Oh, wrong layer selected. Make sure you got the right layer, and get rid of that bit if you're not happy with that here. Control 0 brings you back to the whole image. So you can play, it really depends on your composition, how you want to place them. You can completely just do a little corners here. So that's how it works. Okay, these flowers are available in my Etsy shop. The link will be below. And till next time, thank you, bye.